Hi Andy, good morning.
Hi sir, good morning.
What is your name?
Myself Chandana. I'm a software engineer at Genpact. I have I have been gone through this yoga through my husband and my sister.
Okay.
So I thought of joining in my pregnancy journey because they also faced some issues like even when it come to my husband, he has a lot of anger issues, and he can't even sometimes he can't even take some words which he can't handle. After joining yoga for 1 year, I see lot of changes in him. He improved his patience level, and also he changed a lot in food habits food habits and everything. So I thought like coming from that time onwards, but due to some situations and work things and everything, I have been doing postpone.
Okay.
And later I saw my sister. Even she has a lot of work pressure,
Okay.
which she can't sometimes handle with a lot of heavy back pain and mental tension and everything. I saw some changes in her also, like which she can sometimes even while working also she can use to reduce those things. So I thought like while I'm thinking only in that period only I got conceived. So I came here over like in my pregnancy journey only, but I have gone through a lot of changes because before that.
What are the changes?
Before that, when I woke up, I used to have some laziness.
Okay.
That has been reduced. Even if anything is planning on time, I'm doing on time, and also even I'm having some sickness,
Okay.
which like muscle sickness and everything. In starting, I can't handle things longer. But now I am developing that things to handle longer. And mentally, I have developed. Mentally, I'm becoming strong. Before that, I can't take one word also. Like if anyone
Says something.
says something, I can't take that word. Emotionally, I am going down inside only,
Okay.
which I can't take from inside, like crying inside, and even I become more moody and everything, which that turns into anger on other person. That is not necessary, but I will show that anger on other person, not on all, like few people.
Who are very close to you.
Yeah, like my mom, my sister, even my husband. But these and all I have been seeing, so it's become less, and it's been very, what can I say, it's some practice. While you keep on doing some practice, you keep on changing your things, but you have to be on punctual, and on you have to practice on regular practices.
What are the changes which you observed? How long been you coming? 2 months?
Yeah, 2.5.
2 months. సో ఈ బాడీలో మీ క్యారింగ్ టైంలో వచ్చే మార్పులు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటిల్లో అంటే కొంతమంది లెగ్ పెయిన్స్ వస్తాయి అంటారు, కొంతమంది బాడీ హీట్ అంటారు. సో మీరు ఏం గమనించారు? వాట్ ఆర్ ద చేంజెస్ ఇన్ యూ ఫిజికలీ?
In my pregnancy journey, before I am used to having leg cramps and some, as I said earlier, sickness. Like if I do work heavily constantly, I used to get dull and low BP and everything.
Okay.
But after discussing these and all things, after discussing with our yoga guru, he gave some suggestions. Even one thing also, like while coming also, I have been some gastritis, because before that I'm not having those things due to maybe pregnancy, or which I can't sleep nights properly. So like before I visited doctor, like he suggested some medicines, but I thought of why to go with medicines. So
Okay.
I asked some suggestions with my yoga guru only. He gave some suggestions like normal breathing exercises, and some exercises he gave. After doing that, I'm not feeling those things.
Okay. So are you expecting
And even I can say I'm not feeling like I'm carrying something. I'm moving like normally only. maybe because of doing yoga or morning things, or
Okay.
maybe these are all helping for me.
What do you suggest the people if someone comes with the same situation like you? వాళ్ళకి ఏం చెప్తారు?
I definitely suggest them to. Actually, I started in the month of 7th as per doctor advice. But I can suggest them, because if they are doing earlier yoga, I can suggest them come on 4th month or on their medical situation. But it is very useful for them because they will be active and they can do all their works even when we come end of to their delivery time also. They can be more active and mentally they can get mentally strong and peaceful also, which they have to take inside and which things they have to.
బికాజ్ మీరు క్యారింగ్ కాబట్టి మీకు మాత్రమే తెలుస్తుంది అది ఎలా ఉంటుందో లోపల అనేది.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some things in as one along with my yoga guru, yoga ma'am Kirti ma'am also. Some things we have in pregnancy journey, we can't handle all the situations, which impacts like on baby. So on their experience and some things, they will give some advices how we have to go with the situation and how we have to handle the things and how peace we have to create around ourselves. If we are in large number of crowd also, it will help us to how to be in peaceful and how to avoid these negative things, because with that impact only the baby who is coming outside, we will give the best. It will come through only yoga only. I can suggest.
So are you satisfied with the teachings of teachers?
Yeah, very much. Because everyone is friendly. Gayatri ma'am and yogas Suresh sir.
It's me only.
Yeah, Suresh sir. Everyone is friendly. First thing, what I observed from in this experience, first sir will observe everything. Is they capable of doing the things or not? If they are capable, then only he will give more adequate information and everything, and he will teach. Because some people are not. Some people will come for some other things of faith. But if you come on you have to take care of your things, and in this pregnancy, in particular in this pregnancy situation, you want to give your child and something adequate, then you have to come and you have to be on that part only, because from you one new creature is coming, right? So it will help for them as a good human being. Or
గర్భ సంస్కారం అంటారు దాన్ని.
yeah, గర్భ సంస్కార.
మీరు ఏమి ఇస్తే అదే బయటకు వస్తుంది.
What we will give, it will come out.
So is it 9th month?
Yeah.
9th month. So are you going to expect you said that position of the baby
Before
chair.
that I am having breech position.
Okay.
So I discussed these things with sir also, with my yoga guru. So he said I got tensed, but he calmly said, don't get panic. We will go. Still time is there. But recently I gone with my checkup, but the baby position is ready for normal delivery.
That means head is down.
Yeah, it's in cephalic position.
Okay. Anyway, all the best. Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah. Anything you want to say?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not on if who are in pregnancy journey, I suggest them, highly recommend, if they are interested and they want to gain something, they can come. Apart from pregnancy also, if they want anything changes, because in this current situation and rushy things, yoga is the best thing for your mental peace, body health, which we can increase our lifespan for 1 to 2 years. For example, I'm just saying, on our
Not only lifespan, the quality of life.
quality of life. Even our breathing things also, what we are not doing is not correct.
Yeah.
But by coming here only, we can see all the changes.
Okay. థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you.
టేక్ కేర్